Which one of the following is not equivalent to P by imply Q? We will simply use truth table. PQ, false, 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 true, true, false, true, true. P by imply Q is true whenever P and Q have same truth value. P and Q have same truth value at these two places. So here it is 1, here it is 1. Whenever P and Q has different truth value, P by imply Q will be false. Here it is different truth value, so here it is false, here it is false. Now we will check one option one by one. Let's check with option D. Not P and not Q, or P and Q. P and Q is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, it is 1. Not P and not Q. Not P it is become 1, not Q it also becomes 1, result will be 1. Not P it will become 1, not Q it will become 0, result will be 0. Again result will be 0. Again result will be 0. When we use OR, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 0, 0, 0, 0 or 1 is 1. You may displace this. This is equivalent, so option D is not our answer. It is asking not equivalent, mind the language. It is not equivalent. Let's check option C. Not P and Q, or P and not Q. Not P means 0, it will become 1, and 1 and 0 is 0. Not P, that is, it will become 1, 1 and 1 it will become 1. Not P and Q, 1 will become 0, 0 and 0, 0, again it will become 0. Same way P and not Q. Here Q is 0, so it will become 1, 1 ended with 0, the result will be 0. Same way 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 1 is 1, 0 or 0 is 0. You may displace this. C. It is just opposite of what? P by imply Q. So it is not equivalent to P by imply Q. Answer will be C.